Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some DIY cheap last minute Christmas gifts. So I got some of these things at the dollar section in Target and then some things at Dollar Tree. So it's very affordable and very easy to make, and it's a DIY, so it's coming from your heart. But yes, so that's what I'm going to do today, so stay tuned if you want to see what I made. Bye bye. Okay, so first up is what I like to call a cup full of seeds for Christmas. So you'll need a cup, a Christmas scented candle, some coffee, cocoa, and maybe some chocolate if you can fit it. In my case, I couldn't. So you just get yourself a cup, fill it up with some shredded paper to add some height to your items, and also so your candle won't scratch the bottom of your cup. Add your candle, your coffee, and cocoa, and if you can add some candy canes or even chocolate, then why not? Next is the Netflix and chill box. You'll need a popcorn container. I tried finding a bigger popcorn container at Dollar Tree but could only find a small version, so this will do. You'll also need a box of popcorn or even Cracker Jack. I use Cracker Jack, a Netflix card or even a DVD, and some candy. So again, I used the shredded paper to add some height for the items. I added the Cracker Jack, then a Netflix card, and some chocolate. Next are the gift bags. I made one for pretty much any age and both genders. So first up is for boys. Get yourself a gift bag, add any snacks they like, and some toys, some gift cards, and some candy canes. For the teenage girls, I added some kissed nails. I didn't do this, but you can also add in a fun nail polish color and nail filer. I also added some makeup. You can get some drugstore makeup that is more affordable, or even e.l.f., which is super affordable and also a great brand. I didn't do this, but you can also even throw in a makeup brush or two in there. I also added some razors, and if you still got some room, throw in some candy in there. Next is for a younger girl. I got some LOL toys, LOL lip balm, and some more holiday lip balm. And again, add some candy into that bag. Another fun bag for the young ones is to add some washable paint, animal crackers, and some more candy. This last one can be a gift for the adults. Just get a scented candle and add some candy on top and pair it with the gift set. I got this Burt Bees gift set at Ross for $10. The best part is no one will even know that you got it at Ross. Unless you leave the price tag on it, which you probably shouldn't. And that's about all. So these are some gifts that I am giving out to some of my family and friends, but I hope this gave you some type of ideas of what you like to give for your family and friends. Don't forget to comment down below which gift was your favorite. Bye.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.